If you've bought a washing machine in the past 5 or so years, you've probably noticed an HE label is on it. That stands for high efficiency, and it means that you can use less water and also less detergent. Now, there are specific HE detergents that are meant to be used with such machines, but not all high-efficiency detergents are created equal. Some of them have slightly different concentrations, some of them have different dosing requirements. So Procter & Gamble came out with a new type of detergent. It's called HE Turbo. This is trademarked, unlike the regular HE badge. It's starting out on Tide. It's going to be available in late February, early March of 2015. And it means that you know exactly what you're putting into your washing machine. And also, it's a lower sudsing detergent. Now, suds do show that the bubbles are scrubbing, but sudsing also can confuse your washing machine's sensor, which thinks that dirty water or soapy water is being washed out. That forces the washer to put in more water and extend cycle time, so you're stuck waiting for your clothes to finish. So what we did to test these two detergents was take two identical washing machines, two identical 8-pound loads of laundry, and two identical stain strips with standardized stains on them. We put them in the washer, we timed how long it took, and then we compared the stain strips before and after to see how close to white that they got. This machine, we used the standard detergent that is HE compatible, and we actually did not see an over-sudsing condition. Now, that may have something to do with this washing machine. It may just be particularly good at that. Where we did see a differentiation, however, was in the machine with a turbo detergent. We saw slightly better stain removal performance. And in fact, when I say slightly better, I mean that it was actually visible to the naked eye. It wasn't the difference between black and white, but our photospectrometer did catch a difference, and our own eyes saw that the regular detergent left a little bit of a dingier look to it. So is it worth it to switch to HE Turbo? It really depends. If you have a high efficiency machine, particularly if you have a front loading machine, if you use a lot of laundry at once, if you put in a really large load, that's where it really makes that much of a difference. Otherwise, you can stick with your standard detergent and see what happens. But if you find that your cycle times are lasting longer than they say in the machine, maybe it's time to give HE Turbo a try.